Good day, guys. Today we are capturing one of the most beautiful churches in entire Bulgaria. This memorial church here, Russian style, and we are capturing it with our DJI Matrice 4E drone. We are creating a very accurate 3D model using photogrammetry. So currently the drone is capturing 2 images per second, 100% autonomously, and I am just looking over the process and making sure that nothing goes wrong. Let's get started. Now we are planning the automatic area route, which will collect a couple of hundreds of images and generate a rough 3D model. And on the base of this 3D model, the software, the drone, will then execute the smart 3D capture, which is capturing thousands of images in much greater detail. Now the area route is complete. We go ahead and select smart 3D capture, plan flight route using local model, and we select the last area route. Now we get this rough 3D reconstruction, and we need to select the area we want to map in greater detail. This process can be a bit tedious, especially for people like me that have a bit larger fingers. We also want to adjust the altitude a bit because to avoid some of the trees, and this is also quite important. Now when we are happy with the area selected, we go to the settings, advanced settings, and we adjust the overlap to be 90%. When the mission is generated, you can see generating route, you will see that the remote controller has generated an exact flight route for the drone. So the higher the overlap is, the more dense the green lines will be. So after a few adjustments, you can get ready for flying. So before starting the actual task, we like to deploy the drone and fly around the object in real time to make sure that none of the green lines touches some trees or some branches and obstacles, which means that the path is safe and the drone will not interfere with obstacles, and this minimizes the risk of the drone crashing. So while we flew around the church, we actually discovered a couple of places where the green lines go through some thin branches. If we have started the task, the drone would most probably have crashed. So now we go back, we edit the mapping area and the altitude. After checking the green lines and the flight path again, we could confidently deploy the drone and start autonomous capturing. Why is a 3D model of this beautiful church behind us so important? Well, first we have cultural preservation, because after capturing over 10,000 images of this beautiful church, we will stitch them into a 3D model, and this will be a digital copy of the entire church. So if something happens, we hope no, of course, but if a fire occurs or something, or some other disaster, we have an exact digital copy, as in Notre Dame, actually, thanks to 3D models. Engineers were able to restore the church exactly as it was. So we are doing the same here. Now when we complete the mission, it is 89% in, we will go back to the office and process all the images and create the 3D model. I will show you the exact workflow. Let's go. So now we open the software we prefer, in this case One3D, and start uploading. It's super easy and simple. After a few days, we get this stunning 3D reconstruction.